Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best mirrorless cameras you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Nikon Z8 is a high-performance full-frame mirrorless camera designed for professional photographers and videographers. It features a 45.7-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor and X-H2S processor for exceptional image quality, dynamic range, and fast readout speeds. Video capabilities include 8K 60p RAW and 4K 120p recording, with ProRes and NRAW support for cinematic production. Its advanced autofocus system, powered by deep learning, ensures precise subject detection and tracking for humans, animals, and vehicles. Additional features include 120 frames per second burst shooting, 5-axis stabilization, pre-release capture, dual card slots, and a tilting touchscreen. Compact yet robust, the Nikon Z8 is a versatile hybrid powerhouse. The Fujifilm X-S20 is a compact and versatile mid-range mirrorless camera tailored for photographers and videographers. Featuring a 26.1-megapixel back-illuminated X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X-Processor 5, it delivers excellent image quality, low noise, and fast processing. It supports 6.2K 30 frames per second video recording in 10-bit 422 and 1080p slow motion at 240 frames per second, with a vlog mode and product priority focus for content creators. The upgraded autofocus system and 5-axis in-body stabilization ensure precision and steady shots. Designed for usability, it boasts a fully articulating touchscreen, dual audio jacks, and up to 800 frames per charge, making it ideal for creative tasks. The Nikon Z6 III is a versatile full-frame mirrorless camera, ideal for professionals and enthusiasts. Featuring a 24.5-megapixel partially stacked BSI CMOS sensor and the X-H2S processor, it delivers excellent image quality, fast performance, and low-light capability. Its advanced hybrid autofocus system offers 273 focus points, 3D tracking, and sensitivity down to -10 exposure value for precise subject detection. It supports 14 frames per second mechanical and 20 frames per second electronic shooting, with a pre-capture mode for fleeting moments. Video capabilities include 6K 60p RAW recording, slow motion, and advanced features like N-Log. With a 5-axis stabilization system, dual card slots, and Wi-Fi, it's perfect for hybrid creators. The Panasonic LUMIX S5II is a versatile full-frame mirrorless camera designed for photographers and videographers. It features a 24.2-megapixel back-illuminated CMOS sensor, offering exceptional image quality. Its phase hybrid autofocus system, with 779 focus points, ensures precise subject tracking even in low light. Video capabilities include 6K 30 frames per second and 4K 60 frames per second recording with unlimited runtime and 10-bit color depth. Active 5-axis image stabilization enhances handheld shooting, while dual SD card slots and a vari-angle touchscreen LCD provide flexibility. Compact yet powerful, the LUMIX S5II is ideal for hybrid content creation. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II is a cutting-edge full-frame mirrorless camera tailored for professional photographers and videographers. It features a 45-megapixel stacked back-illuminated CMOS sensor for high-resolution images, improved low-light performance, and reduced rolling shutter. Powered by a DJI processor and coprocessor, it delivers fast autofocus and enhanced image processing. Key features include 30 frames per second electronic shutter, 8K 60p RAW video, 5-axis in-body stabilization, and advanced autofocus with deep learning for precise subject tracking. With a vari-angle touchscreen, dual card slots, and built-in Wi-Fi, it excels in versatility, offering unparalleled tools for hybrid content creators.